European colonialism began with the Portuguese in the 16th century and culminated in the British rule under the East India Company, and then the British Crown in the year 1857, an era known as the British Raj. chain on the coast. But Kerala's spirit broke every chain. Waves rise again, no matter how many storms strike.
Finally, the dream came true.
For decades, Vizhinjam was a dream deferred, plan strong, project stalled. From 2015, the construction for the present Vizhinjam port started.
Why was the dream locked away for so long?
Natural calamities, red tape barriers, and the pandemic delayed the project.
As it is said, every tide must wait for its moment. But tides always return.
We carried the dream from one generation to the next until the world was ready for a transformation.
From spice to steel, from dream to shore, Kerala's vision shines evermore. Vizhinjam stands where past meets light, transformation set, her future bright.
Thank you, Standard 7, for that wonderful journey through time. From ancient trade routes to the rise of a modern port, you showed us that transformation, it is not just a change, it is a vision that can shape the destiny of a nation. We have seen how transformation can inspire courage and how transformation can shape nations. But there is another side to it, a side we often forget. Not every change leads to progress. Some changes, when driven by greed, carelessness, or even speed, can silently harm the world we live in. nature. You depend upon me. Once I was full of life, green, fresh and joyful. But today, I'm tired, I'm hurt. Who's talking? It's me, your forests that are cut, your animals that disappear, your rivers that are polluted. Every change human makes without thinking leaves a scar on me.
Scar! It's just development. This is what progress looks like. We humans didn't mean to hurt you, right?
Maybe not, but actions matter more than intentions. Smoke in the air, plastics in the ocean, chemicals in river. Children, I'm struggling to breathe. If I fall, humans will fall with me.
Nature, which has protected us, nurtured us, and given us life, is sometimes the first victim of thoughtless transformation.
Yes, transformation can build, but it can also destroy.
So let's now travel to the eastern part of our country with the students of Standard 8 as they remind us how uncontrolled transformation can break and destroy a nation.
And how important it is to protect what gives us life.
So please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Today, I'll tell a story of a river that flows from the sacred land of Tibet, rushing to the mighty mountain and enters India with thunder and grace and finds its heart in Assam.
पुत्र हूँ, सृष्टिकर्ता का शक्तिशाली पुत्र। मैंने साम्राज्यों को उठते और गिरते देखा है, गीतों को जन्म लेते और भुला दिए जाते सुना है। पर आज मैं अपने तट पर एक बच्चे को देखता हूँ जो एक नई धुन का सपना देखता है, परिवर्तन की एक लय जो मेरी तरफ बहती है। क्या ये लिख पाएगी मेरी कहानी?
beats, remixes, and loudness. What place does an old folk tune have in today's world?
Music is like this river. It changes its path but never forgets its source.
Then maybe my new song will flow into the city and it is famous.
Yes, that's Parivartan. Just like the river which loses itself once it reaches the city.
मैं भी बदल गया हूँ बच्चों। कभी मैं निर्मल और स्वतंत्र बहता था, अब मैं उन्हीं का कचरा धोता हूँ। जिन्हें मैं जीवन देता हूँ, उन्होंने मेरे तटों पर नगर बसाया, पर मेरे जल को जीवित रखना भूल गए। उनकी तरक्की ने आकाश को छुए और उनके आराम ने उन वनों का दम घोट दिया जो उनके लिए सांस लेते थे। परिवर्तन दुश्मन नहीं है, पर देखभाल के बिना किया परिवर्तन एक ऐसा घाव है जो कभी नहीं भरता।
Our music is like this river. It's changing but still flowing, but searching for its old melody. Let our song bring back the old melody and let it dance through the people. remembered someone, a voice from Assam that crossed all boundaries. He didn't leave his roots behind, he carried them everywhere. He sang in Assamese, Bengali, Hindi, and more than 40 languages. His melodies often carried a whisper of truth, a reminder that the winds of change touch more than our lives. They touch the forests, the rivers, the skies. Through his songs, he urges us to care, to protect the nature that silently nurtures us. If we could send tradition into tomorrow, so can we.
उसका संगीत वही लहर था जिसने दूसरों को बिना डर के बहना सिखाया।
Zubeen Garg, the heartbeat of Assam, lives on through music that echoes the soul of the land. More than a singer or composer, he became a voice of the people and a courageous bearer of truth. Through his powerful songs, he expressed healing love, nurturing nature, strengthening unity, and injustice that demanded change. Every lyric carried emotion and bravery, inspiring generations to reflect and rise. Deeply rooted in his heritage, he showed that success gains meaning only when linked to identity. Speaking for the unheard, he grew beyond an artist into a movement. His influence endures as a symbol of passion, strength, and pride for our nation.
Just like our dear legend Zubeen Garg, we too can make a better environment, a greener nature, a river that flows without fear, and create a world with hope and harmony. Zubeen's music is a wake-up call. Change is inevitable, but harming nature isn't.
पानी से सृष्टि की रचना हुई, पानी से पेड़ और पौधे हुए, पेड़ और पौधों में जीवन बसा, जीवन का चक्र आगे चलता गया, इंसान इस चक्र में घूमता गया, एहसान इस पानी का भूलता गया। कुदरत ने हमको पानी दिया पर हमने ही पानी को गंदा किया। कुदरत है पानी से पानी ही कुदरत है, सांसें हैं पानी से पानी ही सांसें, सांसों के बदले तू इज्जत दे पानी को, पानी फिर खुश रखेगा तेरी रानी को। पानी को बचाओ, इससे बड़ा कर्म नहीं, पानी को पूजो, इसमें कोई शर्म नहीं, कंधे से कंधा मिला के कहो ये पानी हमारा है, पानी का कोई धर्म नहीं, संभाल लो।
पुण्य और पाप से परे जे कहते हैं तब भाई, कौन हूँ मैं हूँ आपकी परछाई।
पता नहीं मैं क्या हूँ, बस इतना पता है मैं बहुत बुरा हूँ। तुम बदलोगे और ना मैं सुधरूंगा।
Thank you, Standard 8, for that thought-provoking performance.
This was not just a performance, it was a reminder, a warning, and a hope that we choose the right kind of transformation moving forward.
Not all types of development takes us forward. The environment quietly reminds us to move forward responsibly.
Now I request our secondary head mistress, Mrs. Leslie John Madam, to kindly take over the proceedings.
Please welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Respected Annie Madam, management members, teaching, non-teaching staff, parents, and my dear students, good evening to all. I, Mrs. Jayashree John, Headmistress of Secondary Section of Sharon English High School, I am honored to stand before you on this special occasion, the occasion of our annual day celebration 2025-26. This evening, as we pause to reflect on the journey gone by, we take pride in celebrating both our expected achievements and the pleasant surprises that reveals new talents and new possibilities, while also inspiring us to set higher milestones for the future. This journey has been made meaningful through the sincere efforts of our students, the unwavering dedication of our teachers, the constant support of our parents, and the steady guidance and encouragement of our management members. The moments and the milestones you are about to hear represents not just success, but growth, value, teamwork, and the enduring spirit of excellence that defines our institution. With this sense of gratitude and pride, I now call upon our students, Master Karan Mange and Master Dhairya Thakkar, to take us through the annual report highlighting honors, recognition and achievements of our school. Thank you. Over to Karan and Dhairya.
Hello. Okay, so I would like to start with academic excellence. The school achieved a 100% pass result in the class 10 board examination, a testament to consistent effort and academic rigor. Out of 114 students, 88 secured distinctions, 26 achieved first class, and 39 students scored above 90%. These exceptional results are the outcome of focused mentoring, innovative pedagogy, and sustained parental support.
Infrastructure development. To enhance the learning environment, many infrastructural upgrades were undertaken in 2025. The school building was replastered and repainted. Interactive flat panels were installed in all classrooms to promote interactive learning. A dedicated space was created for speech and drama classes. The pre-primary section relocated to a more accessible and enriched learning space.
School achievements. Miss Annie Thomas was honored with the Best Principal Award at the Gloria D'Souza International Excellence Awards 2025. Madam was also felicitated at the Open Forum for Principals by Nrityanjali Education Services at the NGMA Mumbai for her dedicated service to education. Mr. Jitendra Desai won third prize at the Silver Jubilee Oratorical Contest organized by the Nahur Citizens Welfare Association. Students' poster presentations ranked among the best 5 at the International Research Conference for Children, IRCC, Noida.
T-Ward level competition. Meet Gosar and Arav Vinod Gandhi won the second prize in science quiz for juniors. Kirtan Mistry and Dhruv Howard won the second prize in science quiz for seniors. Ritesh Salve won the third prize in instrumental music. Vihang Mishra, Krina Anam and Disha Jaiswal won constellation prizes in instrumental music, reading meet, and advertisement making, respectively.
Rotaract Club of Thane Hunar Competition 2025. Shri Bal Niketan Competition.
Sports excellence. Our students were declared the best karate team at the All India World Funakoshi Shotokan Karate Open Championship 2025. This year, a new cricket team is also developing and being trained under the guidance of Coach Nitin Kingar. Regular football coaching under the guidance of Coach Harshad has enabled the students to participate in various competitions, bringing laurels to the school.
Inter-school competitions. Students enthusiastically participated in activities such as monologue and Hindi elocution, character dramatization, umbrella painting, mask relay and fireless cooking, storytelling and Balgi competition, talent shows fostering creativity, confidence and collaboration.
Pinnacles of excellence. Namish reached the final of Super Answer Chapter 5. Teachers and students jointly authored the book Endangered Species, now a proud addition to the school library. As we celebrate our legacy and embrace the future, we remain committed to nurturing responsible, confident and compassionate global citizens. Thank you.
Thank you, Karan and Dhairya, for the report reading.
Every transformation begins with a question. What was life like before the change?
Sometimes, to understand how far we've come, we must take one more step, but backwards.
You're absolutely correct, because the past is not just history. It's a mirror reflecting how ideas, culture and creativity evolved over time.
Transformation, it is not just about the future. Sometimes it is hidden in the dust of our past.
So, what about stepping backwards? Ooh, who is this?
Who are you?
Mike. हस्ती में छुपा था ज्ञान, हस्ती में छुपा था ज्ञान, बातों में था समाधान, बुद्धि जहाँ मुस्कुराई, वही विजय नजर आई, वही विजय नजर आई.
Any idea? Who is he?
Wait, let me think. विजयनगर हमें सिखाता है परिवर्तन दीवारों में नहीं दृष्टि में होता है. राज्य पत्थरों से बनते हैं मगर साम्राज्य सोच से टिकते हैं. जहाँ विचार ऊंचे होते हैं वही इतिहास अमर होता है, वही इतिहास अमर होता है. Didn't he just mention Vijayanagar right now?
I think he is from the land of Tenali.
Hey look, he is going back.
I think he must be going into the past.
So why shouldn't we go with him to witness the change, to feel the transformation?
Wait, Kshitij, we don't need to go with him. Because a group of curious students of Standard 10 are about to step into one forgotten corner of history. Ladies and gentlemen, Helen of Lady International India and Sharon English High School invite you to visit Vijayanagar, the glorious empire.
Sit back and enjoy this dance drama that reminds us that sometimes to understand the change, we must first revisit the past.
Please welcome Standard 10 with a huge round of applause.
This is the beginning of an adventure.
Yeah, me too. These ruins have a story to tell us.
Wow, what do you mean? This place is spooky. It's not spooky, Karan. It's actually fascinating. These ruins are over 400 years old.
Yes, the Vijayanagar Empire was in fact a part Yadav dynasty.
It was established in the 1300s.
Yes, I know. I have read enough history.
But this place seems so much more. I feel different here.
I feel it too. Some kind of energy radiating from ruins, especially from the stone chariot.
Did you all feel the change in the weather?
Yes, and I think I've lost connectivity here. Why are we waiting here? Let's go.
No way. It's a perfect setup to play hide and seek.
Hide and seek? Yes.
How can they all disappear? Is there a tunnel somewhere?
Is there a hole there? Like a well? Oh no! Have they fallen into this well?
No. What will we tell their parents? What if it's our fault?
Who can help us? Help! Can anyone hear us? We are lost!
Who wants help here? This is a land of mistakes. Everyone gets help here.
Akka! We are in a big trouble! Our friends are lost!
They just disappeared in the bad then.
It's getting dark and what will we tell their parents, Akka?
Can you help us? Do you know where they are? At least tell us that they are fine.
Oh, of course. Don't worry. Your friends will be okay. They are just exploring.
But how do we know that they are fine? What is there to explore? Where are they?
They are fine. Their curiosity took them into a different time to faraway lands. Yes, my children, but not in the future. They have traveled in the past.
You mean like time travel? Like in movies?
But now what will we do? How will they come back to the present?
Take this totem and use this to go into the past and bring your friends back. But remember, don't lose it. Otherwise...
What? You mean we can get lost too? Listen, friends, we have no other option. We will have to go to and bring our friends back.
अरे ये कहाँ आ गए हम लोग? What is this place? भाई तू क्या कर रहा है? अरे बगले में चेक कर रहा हूँ, कहीं हम स्वर्गवासी तो नहीं हो गए? 70 मिनट, बस 70 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास, और ये वर्ल्ड कप हमारे पास ही आना चाहिए। हाँ
अरे यार ये फिर भूल गया। छोड़ना यार, वैसे भी हम कहाँ है हमें पता नहीं। चल थोड़ा खेल कूद लेते हैं।
Andai
जाएगी।
कुछ हुआ था क्या?
हाँ भाई, बहुत कुछ।
ओ गलती से मिस्टेक हो गई। ओह सॉरी, मैं भूल गया था। लेकिन छोड़ ना, वो सब बात छोड़ ना। देखना, देख 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 कितनी अच्छी मैजिकल प्लेस है। और ये चीजें तो मैंने बस सपनों में देखी थी। तो एंजॉय ब्रो, एंजॉय।
Wow, this is so cool. The people here are so lively. Oh yes, I can recognize these buildings. They are the same as the ruins of Hampi.
Are we the same? Yes, we are the same. Oh, but how did we get here? All this seems alive. What a beautiful city.
Yes, lovely architecture. And it looks prosperous too. Let's walk around and explore it. I think it is safe enough to do so. Let's go towards the marketplace. There will be people there. They might be of some help.
Yes, hopefully we will find our friends.
Yes, and don't get distracted. Remember why we are here. Yes, please. Let's find them quickly. I'm very scared.
Why is everyone looking at us so strangely? Because we don't belong here. Welcome to Vijayanagar, friends.
Hello. Could you help us find our friends?
We always help each other here. How did you lose them, Salon?
Ajay, where have you traveled first? Who is with you? Your parents?
Perhaps an audience with the king will be a better solution here. The king? There's a king here? Aha! Of course! Our king Krishnadev Rai, the ruler of Vijayanagar. Okay, can you tell me why there are no guards here or even locks in the shop?
What are locks, sir? We don't need to guard anything. Nobody is to steal here. Everyone is prosperous.
Our homes are completely safe, without any threat.
If that is true, then how can our friends be lost?
I know we need to find him before this. Stop! Tenali Rama has answer to all the problems. Huh? Is he like Google? Or maybe AI? No! That name is even more familiar. Where did I hear it? Where did I hear it?
Don't embarrass us now, Shraddha.
Tenali Rama is a scholar and a special advisor to the king himself. Tenali shall guide us onto the right path. Tenali! What are you looking for, children?
Have you lost your way? You don't look like you belong to Vijayanagar. We seek an audience with the king and with Tenali Rama.
Yes, we seek the king and Tenali Rama's advice.
Very well. Wait right here.
Your Highness, we have some travelers who seek an audience with you.
Yes, and the young ones come alone, Your Majesty.
Travelers? Children? Alone? Bring them to me.
Greetings to the mighty king.
Greetings. Who are you? Where do you come from? What is your worry? You cannot be traders at this young age.
No, sir. We are not traders. We have traveled through time itself.
We don't know how it happened, but our friends traveled here before us and we are looking for them.
We ask for your help in finding them.
Sure. Can you explain your trouble to us in detail? Maybe we can help you. So our friends entered a wormhole, which opened for a fraction of a second, and our friends disappeared into thin air.
Then as we searched them everywhere, we found a mystical lady, Akka.
She gave us this totem
And advised us to use it to travel and bring our friends back. She said this totem is not perfect and we have limited time to use it in.
You are sure they are here in Vijayanagar? They could be anywhere.
Yes, Akka was very sure about it. She cannot be wrong.
But we get travelers from all over the world in this great kingdom of ours.
Do you know where they are? We are very happy and honored to be here, Your Highness, but we need to find our friends.
Yes, we have read about the kingdom of Vijayanagar in our books.
It was the center of world trade and flourishing under Your Highness.
Oh, wonderful. It seems the knowledge of my kingdom has survived for many centuries. I am so happy to know that.
So, you are from the future after all. How strange and exciting.
But we are a little confused as to how to help you.
We must find our friends before the power of this totem fades away.
Maharaj, we will need the expertise of Tenali Rama to solve this puzzle.
Tenali Ram, step 4.
Welcome to Vijayanagar, friends. Now, if I may ask, what seems to be the concern here? You say you are here from the year 2025, looking for your lost friends.
Who have traveled back here through time.
We understand how it all sounds made up, but we promise you.
Don't worry, I have seen stranger things in my life. Tenali, please take them in your care and help find their friends.
At once, Your Highness, your friends shall also be located. You can be rest assured